Nature doesn't rush, trees don't compete, seasons don't optimize, rivers don't compare speed. Everything grows when it's ready. Humans learned patience there, then forgot it. Concrete replaced soil, schedules replaced cycles, control replaced listening. We don't disrespect nature loudly, we ignore it quietly until the body feels tired, until the mind feels crowded, until silence feels unfamiliar. Nature never demanded respect, it functioned without us. The mirror simply asks, if we lost touch with nature, what part of ourselves did we leave there?